Palloys is Australia's oldest and most respected jewellery manufacturer. We can do design to print, design to cast, and design to finish. You come to us, you say, here's my concept. Our highly skilled CAD technicians will design your product for you, get your approval, and sent to the 3D printers. We choose Asiga printers for accuracy, quality, and reliability. The Asiga 3D printer does have a very good interface. You can either use the machine directly or through a web interface, which can be quite convenient. Asiga printers have an open material system which allows flexibility to choose the resin you want to use. We've been using Asiga Supercast X. The colour is perfect for QC, the definition is high, the quality is great. Once the 3D printing has been completed, it's sent through to the treeing up. Sprues are added to the models, they are added to a wax tree, we cover them with investment plaster, burn them out overnight, cast them the next day. When you're talking about jewellers, you require a level of precision that the Asiga printers can provide. We use the Asigas because we can produce a print reliably and quickly. Asigas are important to Palloys because our customers expect a certain quality that Asigas can provide.